Good morning, dear students and parents. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I welcome you again in online teaching program by RD Group of School, and this is our English grammar class. And today we are going to do third topic of English grammar. Okay, this is lesson 3, and what is our topic? Pronouns. Okay, before going to start the class, first collect all the resources. And what are the resources? Pencil, pen, scale, and grammar book. And what is our topic? Pronouns. And what is our aim? To use personal or possessive pronouns. And the keywords are his, her, my, your, their, its, you, us, them, it. What is the meaning of pronoun? Do you know what is nouns? We did in the first English grammar class. Right, the naming words are called nouns. The name of any person, place, thing, or yes, students, what are the naming words? Yes, the name of a person, place, thing, and animal is called nouns. Okay, today we are going to do pronouns. What are the meaning of pronouns? Okay, I am writing some sentences on the board and look them and read them very carefully. Let's begin. Okay, I have written some sentences on the board like Sam wants a balloon, Molly wants a balloon, Sam and Molly wants balloons. Okay, now tell me the naming words first of all. Which are the naming word in these sentences? Yes, right. Molly, Sam and Molly. Okay, these are the naming words. Okay, any other word is there we can use in place of these naming words. If we want to change this Sam, with which word we can change it? Yes, right. He wants a balloon. If we don't want to use its name, if again and again, suppose I have written one more sentence about it. Sam writes, Sam goes to park. Here I have written again and again Sam, Sam. Here also Sam, here also Sam. It is looking good. What should we use in place of Sam? We can change this? Yes. What can we write in place of Sam, Sam again and again? We are not using again and again the name. The naming words, in place of naming words, we are using some more words. He wants a balloon. Here we are using Sam. No. What we have used in place of Sam, we have used here he. So what is this he? This he is called pronouns. Okay, like, and in place of Molly, what can we use? Yes, right. She wants a balloon. And in place of Sam and Molly, for these both, we can use they want balloons. Yes, they want balloon. So I have used these words in place of naming words. So which words we are using in place of nouns? The words are called, those words are called pronouns. Those words are called pronouns. The words which we are using in place of nouns, these words are called pronouns. So we can define pronouns as the words we are using in place of nouns are called pronouns, like he, she, it, they, we, are, us. All these words are called pronouns. And keep one more thing in mind. He we are using for boys and she we are using for girls. And same as for boys, we are also using his and him. And same as for girls also, we are using she, her, her. we are using she with girls, her, her. So we use with girls she, her, and with boys he, his, him. Now look at the things. The words his and her. These words are called the possessive pronouns, and he, she. These words are called personal pronoun. These words are called personal pronoun. And keep this thing in mind, personal pronoun we are using in the starting of the sentence. In the beginning of the sentence, when we are using pronoun, we are using personal pronoun like he, she, we, they, it. Yes, students. So these are the personal pronoun and these are possessive pronouns. Like in personal pronoun, which terms of pronouns are coming? He, she, they, you, we, it. And in possessive, his, her, their, your, our, its. So keep this thing in mind and try to learn them. Which are the personal pronoun and which are the possessive pronoun. Okay, I told about the personal pronoun where we are using them. We are using this. He is my brother. We are using the personal pronoun in the beginning of the sentence. She is a girl. Here also it is in the beginning of the sentence. This how we are using these personal pronoun in the beginning of the sentence. Now come to the possessive pronoun. Yes. What is the meaning of possessive? Yes, first of all, listen me very carefully, okay? What is the meaning of possessive? Possessive tells us about the ownership of the things. Means ownership का मतलब क्या होता है कि कौन उस चीज का मालिक है, वो चीज किसकी है, to whom this thing belongs to, कोई चीज किससे बिलोंग करती है, अबाउट द ओनरशिप. पजेसिव हमें ऑनरशिप के बारे में बताते हैं. पजेसिव नाउन्स हम जहाँ भी यूज़ करते हैं मीन्स द थिंग्स बिलोंग्स टू हूम, कि कौन सी चीज़ किसकी है. और वहाँ पर सपोज एक सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है, वहाँ आप कैसे उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि हेयर पजेसिव प्रोनाउन इज गिवन. फॉर दिस यू कैन आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, मीन्स ये चीज़ किसकी है, whose things is it, whose thing is it. Like for example, I have written here, he is my brother. Whose brother? किसके brother की बात हो रही है? My brother. So brother किससे belong करता है? My. किससे belong करता है brother? My. So it is called possessive pronoun. This is called the possessive. Yes, students, now it is action time. What will you do? You will do one activity. You will take your resources. What are the resources I told you in the starting? Scale, pencil and pen. You will take these objects and you will take your notebook also. In that notebook, you will write 2 sentences about each object. And how will you write your sentences? Look at the board side now. I have written some words in list 1 and some words in list 2. You will take one word from list 1 and then you will write sentence about that object by using this word. And then you will write one more word about the same object by using me. Means क्या करेंगे आप कोई भी एक object लेंगे. Like I have taken scale, मैंने scale लिया है. So list 1 में से कोई भी एक word लेंगे. Like I have taken my. So I will write about the scale by using this word my. My का use कर रहे हो, मैं एक sentence दूंगी. This is my scale. Now again I will take one more word from list 2. Like I have taken him. Now I will write one more sentence about the same thing. Like what will I say? I will say I have given my scale to him. I have given my scale to him. Like I have written here my का यूज करते हुए मैंने स्केल के बारे में लिखा this is my scale. Now again I am using scale only. Scale के बारे में ही लिखूंगी, but I will take one word. This time I will choose the word from list 2. Him. So I am going to write about him by using him. I gave the scale to him. Yes. Here again I have used scale. Scale के बारे में ही मैंने लिखा, but मैंने word कहाँ से choose किया है? List 2 में से. Students, what actually we are doing? We are using one time personal pronoun and one time possessive pronoun. We have made two sentences by using these words, and these are the personal pronouns and these are the possessive pronoun. By using possessive pronoun, we have made one sentence here, and by using personal pronoun, we have made one sentence here. And like this, you will also make sentences. Yes, by using these personal possessive pronoun, we made sentences like we can make, and you should try to start your sentence by using this. Like I have written here this, like this is my book, and you can use that also in the beginning. So but if you are starting your sentence with this and that, then it will be easy to form a sentence. A student, you will choose at least two things from these things, like pen, pencil, any of the two things you will take from these resources, and then you will write sentences about it, and you will discuss about these sentences with your partners also, and your partners, who will be your partner? Your parent could be your partner. Yes, student, now it is time for the analysis. Okay, I'm going to ask now questions about the activity only. Okay, what have we learned today? Today we are learning about the pronouns. Okay, I have written some sentences on the board. My sister is very nice. I like his brother. They go to market daily. Her dress is beautiful. Okay, now can you guess which are the pronouns? Which words we have used in place of naming words? नेमिंग वर्ड्स के प्लेस पे हमने कौन से वर्ड्स का यूज किया है? Yes, parents, please pause the video and let them think about the answer. Yes, right. What are the pronouns here? Which words we have used in place of the naming words? Yes, my, I, they, her. Yes, these words we have used in place of naming words. So these words are called pronouns. My next question is, which words do we use in place of naming words? As I told you, right, like my, I, they, her. We have used these words, and these are the pronouns. My next question is, how do we use these words in a sentence? हमने इन वर्ड्स को कैसे यूज किया सेंटेंसेस में? हमें उनको कहाँ और कैसे यूज करना है? How do we use these words? Yes, right. These words show who or what something belongs to. Means ये words हमें ये बताते हैं like कि ये किससे belong करते हैं. My sister, sister किससे belong करती है? My मुझसे belong करती है. I, they, her, her dress. her किससे belong करता है? Dress. किसकी dress? Whose dress? Her dress. So these words tell us what or who belongs to. Yes, what was my question? How do we use these words in sentences? हमने कैसे उन words को sentences में use किया? कहाँ personal pronoun को use करना और कहाँ पे हमें दूसरे वाले pronouns को use करना है? Possessive pronouns को. Yes, right. We use them, the words which show who, what, something belongs to. These words show who, what, something belongs to. हमने कहाँ पर किया possessive pronouns का use? जो हमें ownership को दिखाता है, belongings को दिखाता है. Like this is my thing, this is his thing, this is our country. Like कौन सी चीज़ किसकी है, यही तो बताता है ना. Like in list 1 we have used these words: my, its, his, her, your, our, their. So these words belongs to हु और व्हाट किससे बिलोंग करते हैं और कौन उनसे बिलोंग करता है. सो दे आर यूजुअली यूज्ड बिफोर अ नेमिंग वर्ड्स. इन वर्ड्स को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? नेमिंग वर्ड्स से पहले यूज करते हैं. वी आर यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स बिफोर द नेमिंग वर्ड्स. लाइक दिस इज my book. This is my book. Book. What is the naming word in this sentence? Right. Book is naming word. So हम इन words का जो possessive words होते हैं, possessive pronouns होते हैं, उनका कहाँ use करते हैं हम? We are using these words before the naming word. Naming word से पहले मैंने my का use किया है. So it is possessive pronoun. Whose book is this? My book. Whose book is this? We can find out this how also. Some other words are there that we are used in place of naming words. Which are these words? Like me, him, her, us, its. So these are the words which we are using in place of naming words. And these words are usually we are using at the end of the sentences. We are using these words. Yes, these words we are using at the end of the sentence to show who or what is receiving the action. Means action को कौन receive कर रहा है. Like in this example it is given, I have given this book to him. I have given my book or this book to him. Like मैंने अपनी बुक उसको दे दी है. So who is receiving? You know the meaning of receiving? Receiving means लेना. Who is receiving the action? जो action को ले रहा है. जिस for example, if I'm saying give this pen to him, okay, if any boy is there then I should say him. तो मैं उसके लिए क्या use करूँगी? Him. If any girl or woman is there, so I will use give this pen to her. And if any non-living thing is there, then we can use it. And if the person more than one is there, then we are using them. Means plural things we are using them. Yes students, now it is time for the higher order thinking lesson. Be ready. It is an interesting question. Okay, I'm going to ask. Listen it very carefully. Make a sentence by using she, her and him. You will make only one sentence, and in this one sentence you will use all three words: she, him or her. Okay, think about it. Yes, for example, she gave her book to him. She gave her book to him. Okay student, now it is time for the application part. In application, what will you do? You will do page number 10. Practice questions are given there. In your grammar book, you will complete your page number 10.
Let's begin practice questions. In grammar book, open your grammar book page number 10. In first question, what is given? Underline the words that are used in place of naming words. What will you do in this? You will underline the naming words. She gave her balloon to him. Keep this thing in mind. Here you will underline the naming words, not the pronouns. She gave her balloon to him. What is the naming word here? Balloon. B. He took a balloon from them. Then they are asking for your balloon. Now question number 2. Write one word in place of the underlined naming words. What will you do here? One word is underlined, and that is naming word. Which word can you write in place of this naming word? You have to write that. Like Sana gave a blue balloon to Molly. So what can you use here? Sana gave a balloon to her. This how you will do the next also. Now in question number 3. I am Sam. Read what my sister, brother and I are doing on Sunday. Then fill in the blanks. The first one has been done for you. What will you do here? Yes, like in first question it is done for you. Renu is my cousin. I am watching a cartoon with her. My is used in place of Sam. Yes, my cousin. Whose cousin? किसका cousin है वो? Sam. And her is used in place of Renu. और हर किसके लिए यूज़ किया गया है यहाँ? रेनू के लिए. This how you will tell for the next sentences also. Now on question number 4, complete the following sentence using a word from the box, like them, his, it, my. Some words are given in this box, and you will use these words to fill these sentences. I bought a gift for dash parents. Yes, obviously, if I is here, like मैं खरीद रहा हूँ तो किसके लिए खरीदूंगा? My parents. And this how you will complete these questions.
And now it is time for the summarization part. Summarization, as we are doing as usual. Yes, what have we learned today? Yes, we learned about the use of the pronouns, the personal and the possessive pronouns. We learned about the use of the personal and possessive pronouns, like where to use personal pronoun and where to use possessive pronoun. We are using possessive pronoun. Yes, and where to use possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun possessives we use before the naming words. Before naming words. कहाँ यूज करते हैं हम possessive pronoun का? Before naming words. And personal pronoun we use in the beginning of the sentence in place of nouns. Personal pronoun का यूज हम nouns के place पे करते हैं. And we are using personal pronoun in the beginning of the sentence, like he, she, it, we, you, they. At last, it is time for homework. What is your homework? You will complete page 11 and 12 in your grammar book. Thanks. Have a nice day.